Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to share JyotiJiya Store Haul. So before I start my video, I request you to all please subscribe my channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without any ado, let's get started. JyotiJiya Store is an Instagram store from where you can get affordable makeup, clothing, jewelries at reasonable price. So if you also want to buy, then I will give the link below in the description box, and she have a YouTube channel also. So first talk about its packaging. The packaging was awesome. I get my all product except 2-3 things in this cute plastic box. I shop from so many stores but no one sent me my product like this, so the packaging was great. I received my all products bubble wrapped nicely in this outer package. And next delivery was also super fast and I got my product within 4 days. The delivery charge is rupees 80. So let's see what I bought from JyotiJiya store. The first product is a Honey and the Nudes 12 color eyeshadow palette. It comes in this cardboard packaging and you get 16 gram of product, as you can see here. When you open it, you get nice quality of plastic packaging inside it. This is the 12 color eyeshadow. The color range was awesome. All the shades are shimmery and you didn't get any matte shade in this palette. And the price is just 250. Can you believe? Yes, this palette is of only 250. You get a small eyeshadow brush also. If you are a beginner and you don't have any brush, then you can use it. So let's see its swatches. Wow, the eyeshadow is so pigmented and give you nice color in one swipe. It glides and blends easily in your eyes. So it is the most affordable eyeshadow palette which I ever seen. So the next product is Music Flower Gel Eyeliner and you get 2 gel eyeliner in shade black and brown. The quantity is 3 gram each. And the shelf life is 3 years from manufacture. It also comes in cardboard packaging and when you open it, you will get 2 brushes and 2 gel liner in brown and black. And the price of this eyeliner is just rupees 200. The next product is a cute small mirror and it comes in golden color. Its outer material is made of plastic and it's a nice cute small mirror for your vanity box and the price is just rupees 40. The next product is a All Day Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer SFR color and you get 20 ml of product. It helps smooth and fill in fine lines and pores, paraben and fragrance free, enriched with vitamin E. All the ingredients are mentioned here, but there is no shelf life. The price of this product is rupees 160. Next product is a nail art stamp. It has a rubber stamp and in its back side all the steps are mentioned how to use this nail art stamp and the price is rupees 80. Next product is a Fishnet Stockings. The quality of the product is great at this price. When you wear it, it look like this and the price is rupees 160. Next product is this eyebrow pencil in shade brown, and this is the swatch, and the price is ₹50. These all are the makeup products, and I ordered some jewelry also, and the first product is the boho neck piece. It is a nice lightweight neck piece with a matching earrings. And I love it. The price of this neck piece is ₹200. Next is a multicolored double layer Afghani earring, and it looks like this. And you can pair it with any color dress, and the quality is superb, and it is lightweight. The price of this earring is ₹140. Next is a 3-layered earring, and it looks like this, and the price is ₹110. Next is a multicolored tassel earring, and it looks like this. The quality was awesome, and the price is just ₹60. Next is a big hoop earring, and quality was also nice, and the price is just ₹40. Next is a white pearl earring, and it look like this, and the price is just ₹40. Next is a kamarband or kamar patta, what you call, it's your wish, and it look like this. The quality was superb, and the price is just ₹140. And at last I got 2 free gifts from JyotiJiya. The first one is nice earring, and it looks so pretty, and the next gift is Akar's pink nail polish. So overall, all the products are super duper affordable, and it does not make hole in your pocket. So if you are a beginner and looking for quite affordable makeup products, then please check out this store. And if you are jewelry and clothing lovers, then this store is only for you. I will give all the link below in the description box, so please check it out. So hope you like my JyotiJiya store haul. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.